Monkey.
Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of When, Where, How, Lifestyle, Relevant Fashion with me, your lovely host Tiffany. Back with another Always Bring a Bottle drink edition. So I know we've all heard of golden milk. So it's the lovely milk made with turmeric, ginger, cinnamon, nutmeg. It's like an immune booster drink. I love it. I know my mom makes it and I love when she makes it. It's really good. It tastes really good. It makes my body feel good. You can make it with milk, you can make it with coconut milk, you can make it with almond milk, you can make it with whatever milk you choose. So I'm back, I'm gonna make it, but I'm just gonna add a little bit of liquor to it. I mean, if you love something, add more to it, right? So I just want to add a little bit to it just because it kind of gives you like that hot toddy feeling where like you can drink something warm or like even like a spiced hot chocolate, stuff like that. So we're making a spiced golden milk. So I already made my golden milk. I used cinnamon sticks. I'll show you, like I have a little bit left over. I used cinnamon sticks. I used my star anise. I used some cloves. I used cardamom. I used, so I didn't have any fresh ginger. So I did use ginger powder, ground ginger. So I used ground ginger. I used turmeric. I used cinnamon and nutmeg. And I used whole milk and coconut milk, because I just wanted to use a little bit of both. And that's it. So I used that. I let them cook on the stove for about 10-15 minutes, let all those flavors marinate and make love and everything. So that's what I have right here in here. I have my golden milk concoction. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix it. So I'm going to use some honey brandy. And I've been using this brandy a lot, right? I'm gonna use a little bit of brandy and a little pinch of bourbon, just to use a little pinch of bourbon, okay? If you want to use like a spiced rum, you can. If you want to use a coconut rum, you can. But I'm gonna go with dark. I'm gonna use my bourbon and my brandy, my B&B. So I already put some cinnamon sticks in my glass, in my jar here, and I am going to pour. So I'm going to put the golden milk in first because I don't want to put the liquor in first, because I don't want to overpower it. Like I don't want to use too much liquor. You just want to have that little hint of, oh, there's a little bit of alcohol in here kind of thing. Like you don't want it to be a drink, you know what I mean? So I'm going to pour this in first, just so that I see how much I have that I'm working with, right? So, all right, so we have about a quarter, 3/4 full, right? So I'm going to add my brandy first, and I'm just gonna put a little bit, like literally just a little bit. Like I said, you don't want to overpower it. You just want to add a little hint to it just to make you feel a little lovely. And a pinch of bourbon, like literally a pinch of bourbon, not a lot. I'm gonna add a little bit more nutmeg and cinnamon. Just because it's always great to have more nutmeg and cinnamon. I'm just gonna stir those flavors in. Let those make a little love real quick. And my golden milk is nice and hot, so everything is just gonna like really make love. And remember guys, you're working with turmeric, which leaves a lot of stain, so try not to make too much of a mess, okay? And here you have it, my golden milk with a little bit of my golden milk with B&B, brandy and bourbon, okay? And it smells really good. You really don't smell like the alcohol like overpowering the golden milk feel. So it's literally like having, like I said, it's like having a hot chocolate, a spiced hot chocolate. So definitely try this at home. Try this with your friends. I'm definitely gonna try it with my friends and see how they like it. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Golden milk with B&B. Let's taste it. Ooh, that's spicy. Ooh, it's got a kick to it. This is good. This is really good, guys. You should definitely try it, okay? Thank you so much for watching again. If this is your first time, definitely click subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you know every time I upload a video, it's gonna say ding, ding, ding. Hey, WhenWearHow, upload a new video. Check it out. Thanks again for watching, guys. See you next time on Always Bring a Bottle. Bye.